Who is knocking the door? Oh, beautiful girls. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Come in. You are welcome to my house courses. Sit down. Today we start with the presentation. I will present myself first. My name is Yumna. I'm your English teacher. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Rita.
Nice to meet you, Rita.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. And you, what's your name?
My name is Maymana.
Nice to meet you, Maymana.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. Okay, look at me and listen. Now we will move on to the second question. How old are you? How old are you is when we want to talk about the age. 2 years old, 3, 4, 5. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Very good. And you, Ritesh?
I'm 5 years old.
Listen carefully. Now you stand up. Maymana, ask her, what's your name?
What's your name? My name is Rita. And you? My name is Maymana. How old are you? I'm 5 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Maymana. Nice to meet you too, Rita.